Hey, in this industry, reliability is not optional. My name is Albert. I'm the president of Quantum Machinery Group. I'm going to show you what we're all about. We started back in 2002 to offer customers the highest end fabrication equipment available in today's market. Quantum Machinery Group offers a wide range of products such as press brakes, shears, cold saws, band saws, welding equipment, which are the laser welders, and welding tables. I'm going to show you a bit more of what Quantum Machinery does here. So this is an inside look at our facility here.
3, 2, 1.
So let me show you what the customer experience is like when visiting Quantum. We have the largest Sigman showroom in the United States where you'll be able to see, touch, feel a lot of their tables and the accessories. We offer System 16, System 22, System 28. The different series do come in the metric and they come in the imperial. Let's wrap around here and I'll show you some of the accessories here. As you'll see, we carry the bolts, we carry the clamps, we carry squares. Any of these items that you see here at Quantum, you can get the same day. So if you're here visiting us and hey, I want 10 of these, I want 30 of these, I want 100 of these, we stock them. And when you're here, you'll be able to see some of Sigman's other specialty products that they offer, such as their positioners, the rail systems, and the foundation systems. So now that I've shown you some of the Sigman product that we have to offer, I failed to mention this is a family-owned business. I want to introduce you to my son.
Hey, Tony Solano, Vice President of Quantum Machinery. I'm going to show you guys what else we have to offer in our showroom. Here we have the Mac line. The Mac line consists of cold saws, band saws, cutting lines, from manual standard style saws to double column saws, fully automatic, even programmable with head mitering. We have a very wide range when it comes to a Mac. No matter what you're cutting, we can absolutely help you out with that. And now look in this direction, we have Narhesa. Narhesa also has a very large range of machines that they offer, that they produce, all out of Spain. Everything that Mac makes is out of Italy. Narhesa, out of Spain. With Narhesa, they carry roll benders, rotary benders, press brakes, Ironworkers, a really big range. What we're showing here is really some of the most popular equipment that's available for the US market. That's more so in the demand of the US market, but Narhesa does make more. From here, let's go out and we'll show you the inventory. Let's keep going. So a lot of you may not realize that we actually have our own in-house machine shop, and basically what they do is they produce the tools for our roll benders and some other custom applications as well. We make our tools out of Delrin, out of 4140 steel that gets heat treated. It's basically made in a way that's going to last and also be very efficient for your applications.
So inventory is super important for us here at Quantum. We have a 49,000 square foot building where we stock thousands of Sigman welding tables and tens of thousands of accessories, fixtures. We also have a large variety of over 100 different machines. Let's keep going here. So this facility is equipped with 16 dock doors. Why so many? Well, believe it or not, we use a lot of these for customer pickups. We have trucks that come every day, multiple trucks that come a day. We have containers that come every single day. So we're able to accommodate those large requests. Quantum invested into a hoist forklift, so that way we can unload these large containers with the press brakes and shears. We're not relying on rigging companies. So when it comes to us having to ship out a machine the same day, we got you covered. Everything you see here are accessories, are fixtures. From the System 28 Imperial, System 16 Imperial, System 28 Metric, System 22 Metric, and the System 16 Metric.
So a question we get often is how are we able to get orders out within 1 to 3 business days? Efficiency. We heavily invest in the processes and the products that will allow us to properly and efficiently get orders out. Here, you'll see that we have a vertical item picker. We not only invested in one, but as you'll see, 4. These are essential to maintaining proper inventory and keeping us organized.
We built this company to support American manufacturing for long term. Quantum Machinery is committed to earning your trust and your business for years to come. On behalf of the Quantum Machinery Group team, we'd like to thank you and have a blessed day.